got the biggest announcement about Milwaukee PACKOUT's rolling box. Best part is, Milwaukee Tool didn't even make the announcement. You picked up on it in this video here when we were doing our live stream walkthrough at the Home Depot. Philip Milliken put it down in the comment section. He said, there's something big about that box that I hadn't seen before, and here it is. Milwaukee Tool has made a change to their wheels. It's no secret that some of you have had issues over the years, so much so that other third-party vendors, 3D printers, inventors have made third-party offerings for wheels for these rolling boxes. They've been more sturdy, more rugged, maybe even more reliable. It looks as though Milwaukee Tool saw that there was an issue and has changed the wheels. You can see the old wheels are 2 3/8 inches wide. The new wheels are almost 2.5 inches wide. So you're looking at about 1/8 of an inch bigger. Now, another huge difference is what they decided to do to make these wheels more rugged, in my opinion, because I'm no engineer, is to give it more spokes. Previous model has 6 total spokes. The new model has 9 spokes. I think the way they accomplished that was to make the overall dimension of the wheel itself bigger. If we take a measurement of the wheel itself, you're at 7 5/8 inches compared to the old model where you're at 6 5/8 inches. They increased the diameter of the wheel by 1 inch. They made a larger center hub. They gave you more spokes, and the distance of these spokes is shorter compared to the older model. So that should make for a more rugged wheel. The tire on that wheel, still rubber. Hopefully it's non-marring. No formal announcement was made to what seems to be a huge improvement to these wheels. Now, maybe some of you have rolling boxes that have broken wheels. I haven't seen a service bulletin on Milwaukee's website for a parts list that would include this new part or new wheel, but maybe you call Milwaukee Tool, find out if they'll be including this new wheel if you need service. I was so excited about this single improvement to this rolling box, I thought to myself, what else didn't Milwaukee announce? Because one of the big issues a lot of you complain about is this handle not being removable, and you can't fit your box under your tonneau cover. In previous videos, you can check this one out here, we gave you a solution to removing this handle. I thought to myself, will Milwaukee Tool make this quick release? I looked at the old box where we installed those quick release pins. And then I did an inspection of the new box, and you'll see it's just the same old screws.